polys should not exceed 800,000. Press 7 to check the total number after they have been changed into the editable mesh. The model dimension should be m. You can change this setting under Customize. Units Setup. The dimension of one model in the scene should not exceed 30,000 mm, 30 meters. Texture formats should be JPG, PNG or TIFF. Color format should be RGB. The texture should not exceed 5,000 pixels. The size of compressed package should not exceed 100 megabytes. Model Review. Open the file. Ctrl-A to select the model. Right-click to convert it into the editable mesh. Press 7 to check the total number of the model polys. If the total number exceeds 800,000, you should remove some polys. Right-click to choose Unfreeze All and Unhide All. Find if there are some other objects exist outside the model. Delete the redundant objects if they really exist. Click Display and then Hide by category. Untick all the options below. Then, delete all other objects excluding the model. Ctrl-A to select the model. Choose Group and Explode. Ctrl-A to select the model. Click the second icon at the top right corner to check the number of objects. If the total number exceeds 200, you have to attach some objects. Click Customize. Units Setup. System Unit Setup. Millimeters. OK. After adjusting the unit, you should remember to check the dimensions. Choose the model first. Then click the sixth icon and review the details under Measure section. If the dimensions are incorrect, you should scale the model. Click Customize. Preferences. Gamma Endlet. And tick OK. The options under Materials and Colors should also be unticked. Shift-T to open the asset tracking to check whether the mapping paths are correct. If there exist missing files, you should select the file. Press Hotkey M to open Material Editor. Click Utilities. Reset Material Editor slots. Select the material, check the material in the scene whether belongs to VR material. If so, you should split the material first. Select the model and click Group. Set all dimensions to 0. After all these, archive, compress your file and upload.